Are your LM Studio chat threads getting cluttered with auto-generated titles that make it hard to find your research, code drafts, or specific prompts? Renaming your conversations is a simple way to keep your local AI workspace clean and organized. In this quick video, we will walk through how to easily rename any chat thread in LM Studio in just a few seconds. First, launch LM Studio and look at the left sidebar where all your conversation threads are listed. Find the chat you want to update and hover your mouse over it. Click on the three dots icon that appears right next to the thread title. From the drop-down menu, select Rename. The current title will turn into an editable text box. Type in your new custom title, like Python Refactoring or Local LLM Notes, and press Enter or click outside the box to save it. Under the hood, LM Studio manages your conversations using unique session ID stored locally as JSON files. Changing the display title in the UI updates the thread metadata without touching your actual message logs, underlying context window, or model configuration. Your entire conversation history remains completely safe and intact. Let's verify our new title in action. Switch to a completely different thread in the sidebar, and then click back on your newly renamed chat. As you can see, the new title persists across sessions, and your entire chat history loads instantly. And that is all there is to it. If this quick walkthrough helped you organize your LM Studio setup, drop a like on the video, hit subscribe for more local AI tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.